Hello guys, let's learn some colors. Orange color, brown color, blue color, sky blue color, light green color, pink color, violet color, yellow color. Today we will learn to write alphabets A, B, C, D. Let's start with letter A. A for apple. B for ball. C for crocodile. D for donkey. E for eagle. F for frog. G for gold. Letter H for house. I for injection. J for jungle. K for kangaroo. L for lychee. M for monkey. N for nuts. Letter O for orange. P for pilot. Q for question. R for rabbit. S for students. T for teacher. Letter U for umbrella. V for violin. W for water. X for X-ray. Y for yogurt. Z for zero. Let's revise again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.